We visited Kaufland in Germany. Well, it was on a Black Week before the Black Friday.
Look, it's Kaufland. In Deutschland or Germany.
And we bought some products.
Some food we bought because we can bought coffee machine because we have one and we can put it in the eggplant.
Yeah. Bought these sausages and these tomatoes.
Yeah, the tomatoes price was
For 1 kilogram, 3.96. So 3.96 divided by 4.
not 4 kilogram for one pack. And
yeah. So
here I can show you that this is true price. Like
here.
Daten Tomaten.
Daten Tomaten.
Sauerländer sausages. The fun name for them. There is fun name for them. Bockwurst.
Yeah.
And first word, I will not spell them, YouTube will ban us.
Yes.
Okay. Here you can buy soundbar.
And the star?
With discount.
The star means that it's limited. Like for 1 day.
One day, if people buy it, it will be, can buy it. And our sausages, do you see it? The name on them is very fun.
And suspicious.
Cool. You can buy everything with enormous discount here.
Not everything, but a lot of products.
Yeah. Some Küchenmaschine. Kitchen combine, maybe. Okay. Cool. We checked it and it works.
Yes. You can also buy those earbuds with a huge discount of 77%. But it costed 40 euros and now only 9 euros. That's a huge discount right there.
And some coupons.
Yeah. You can also buy coupons, like for example Apple coupons.
There is microwave like in Lidl, but very cheap.
Yeah. Well, that's nice of Kaufland, isn't it?
I think it's usual, but okay. People can use it.
Yes.